Alright, I finally got my spring compressor in, as y'all can see. And if anybody want to know the part number, that's it right there. It's a Trick Flow spring compressor, LS1 style. So I'm gonna try to get it out, man. I already got it all set up on here. So got my 14 and my alley wrench. I'll try to get this thing done. See how good it works. This tool actually works pretty good, man. I mean, it was a good, I think I paid like $60 something for it, but it works pretty good, man. It gets the job done. Loosen it up just a little bit. I want to get a better bite on that. I don't know. I don't know if it's pushing it down. If it's coming down or what. Yeah, it's coming down. I can see it now. I think I can see it. Alright. I finally got it to press down enough so I can get my keepers out. As you can see, that's one keeper there. Start it over here. One of them, when I was twisting it down, it actually popped and fell down. So I gotta find. I think it's up under the head, but I get it. And I thought I had a magnet around here somewhere, but let's see. Let me get my magnet. Alright, I got all my keepers out. So now I'm gonna bag up off this net here. Allow the spring to come back up. I hope that video is not shaky because I got the my phone actually on the same board that this head is on, and it's shaking. Hope that stabilizer works on it. Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna show you guys on one. I'm not gonna do all of them because I mean that'll take a lot of time, and basically all you need to see is one done, and you know how to do the rest. Let's get this up. Back up off that a little bit. Bag up too much. You know, these springs are under a lot of tension. And it's getting easier, so start to let up a little bit. little keeper. 1 spring. 2 springs. Alright. Now that we don't remove the springs, the old springs, we're gonna be replacing it with the blue spring, the LS6 spring. So basically all we need to do is slide it back down in the same spot. Bam. Just like that. Remove that off your old spring. Sit it on top. Up. Try to center your spring up so it'll go over the valve when you pressing down on it. Get that all centered up. I probably need to put something under the valve too, so when I'm pressing down, they don't fall out up under. Let's see here in a second. The head doesn't have to be off the vehicle for you to do this, to replace the springs on it. You can also do it inside the car. It's a little air chuck that goes into the spark plug hole, and you just apply air to it and it holds the valves up so you can change the springs. Okay, as you can see, I got them all installed on both heads. There's the other one over there on the wall. Truthfully, man, I really didn't see no difference in these springs. The only thing was different was the color. As far as like pressing them down, I mean, it didn't take no more strength to press them down than it did the other. So, but they sent the springs with the cam, so I switched them out. But this is the finished product now, man. So now I got to slap these heads on. Well, first I got to drop the lifters right here. Get those put in with the little trays that they sit in. And basically, yeah, but we're gonna get that rolling. But it's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Boy Rollo out.